le official video. So kusho ukuthi le izolo ya bengiqinisile, it's just that abanye abantu bafuna ukuthi mhlawumbe uzukhale ke. But ngibonile ukuthi no man ngihethe nabantu ebengingamelanga ngibahethe, bengidwisa nabantu ebengingamelanga ngibalwise. Uyangithola? So ebantwini abangilandelelayo like straight up I'm sorry guys. Ngiyazi abanye nibheke kimi yabona. So sisonke mina nginani yabona, obviously the aim yama haters guys ukuthi ngiyeke, you understand, and ebhekani ngitsheleni something angiyindawo, sorry bhatalani inyanga zenu kahle, yangana mina manje kwamanje ngisakhuluma nabantu abangithandayo, nabantu vele abahethekile, you understand, angifuni ukuthi South Africa